If you take a listen, we live in a pretty noisy place. Even in the library, you can't escape it. But there is one place in Minneapolis where all noise goes away.
The quietest place on earth.
Steve Orfield is standing in his sound testing lab where the decibels are measured in the negatives.
Anechoic chamber is a room that is defined as being 99.9% sound absorbent.
They use the room to record sounds of pretty much everything. And if you've ever wondered, that's what it sounds like when you hear a pin drop.
As you're in here for about a half an hour, you'll start to hear your heartbeat. And then you'll start to hear your lungs flow.
But to understand a quiet room, you also need a noisy room. So when you scream in here, ah! The sound lasts for 8 seconds. But when you scream in here, ah! It goes away instantly.
The silence in here can be deafening, but the ironic thing is the quietest place on Earth was made for the sole purpose of being noisy.
All acoustic chambers are there for noise.
Out here in our world, we can't get away from noise. So while we're here in Steve's world, let's take a moment of silence for silence. In Minneapolis, 5 Eyewitness News.